So the Marriott Bonvoy Amex is one of the most popular hotel credit cards in Canada, and it packs a mix of welcome points, elite night credits, and a free night certificate every year. So whether you stay at Marriott properties once in a while, or you're loyal enough to chase elite status, this card can pretty easily pay for itself. That's why today I'm going to break down exactly what you get, how much it's worth, and who should consider this card. So after months of waiting, the new welcome bonus on this card has landed, and it makes it one of the most accessible offers available on a travel credit card in Canada, because new cardholders earn 50,000 Marriott Bonvoy points after spending just $1,500 in the first 3 months. And that's a target that most people can hit without even trying once you add up groceries, gas, dining, and recurring bills. Just put $500 a month on the card for the first 3 months, and the bonus is yours. But let's put those 50,000 points into perspective. On average, Marriott Bonvoy points are usually worth around 0.7 to 0.8 cents each, so the bonus comes out to about $350 to $400 in hotel stays. But the fun part here is how differently those points can work depending on where you use them. So let's look at a few different trip examples. For a practical trip, take the Spring Hill Suites Orlando at Flamingo Crossings near Disney. At about 24,800 points per night, your bonus would cover 2 nights. If you paid in cash, it would cost around $270 for the 2 nights, so this is a simple way to save some money on a family getaway. But for a more aspirational trip, check out the Sheraton Rome Parco de Medici. Rooms here also run about 25,000 points per night, so your bonus will get you 2 free nights. But here's where things get interesting, because cash prices here regularly go over 250 euros a night, which means you're saving more than 700 Canadian dollars on a trip that's going to feel pretty special. And if you really want to stretch your points, head to Bali. At the Fairfield Bali Legion, nights start around 13,500 points. So that means that your 50,000 point bonus can cover 3 nights, almost 4, with points to spare. And so that's the power of Marriott Bonvoy points. Because they don't have a set cash value, they flex with your travel style. 2 nights for a practical trip in Florida, 2 nights in a dream city like Rome, or 3 nights in Bali. However you choose to use them, they help your travel budget go a lot further. But here's where the Marriott Bonvoy Amex quietly builds long-term value. At Marriott properties, you earn 5 points for every dollar you spend. And so that means that a $200 weekend stay isn't just a charge on your card, it's 1,000 points dropped straight into your account, and that's before you even factor in the extra points that you get as a Marriott member. And then on everything else, from groceries and gas to restaurants and online shopping, you're earning 2 points per dollar. And the key here is consistency, because there are no rotating categories to track, no signups every quarter, and no hidden rules. So whether you're filling up the car or ordering takeout, those everyday purchases are constantly fueling your next trip. But let's put all that into numbers. Based on typical household spending, you're looking at earning around 4,000 points a month, or around $30 to $40 in value. And so over the course of a year, that's around $360 to $480 in rewards. And when you subtract the $120 annual fee, you're still walking away with hundreds of dollars in net value before you even touch the welcome bonus or the free night certificate. And so that's why this card works in the long term. Even if you're not a road warrior racking up dozens of stays, the steady 2 times the points earning rate on everyday spending and 5 times the points on Marriott bookings give you consistent value year after year. But on top of all that, the card has one benefit where I think it really proves its worth. Every year after your first card anniversary, you'll receive an annual free night award worth up to 35,000 points. And so for context, that can cover a night at most mid-range Marriott properties or put a serious dent in the cost of a luxury stay. And so in most cases, this free night alone is worth at least the $120 annual fee, which means that the card pays for itself before you've even factored in the points you earn from all your spending. And then on top of that, the card also gives you 15 elite night credits every calendar year, so that gives you a head start toward elite status without ever stepping foot in a hotel. Right away, you're bumped up to silver elite status, which comes with late checkout, bonus points on your stays, and priority access. And if you stay just 10 paid nights in a year, then those credits push you up into gold elite status, which unlocks room upgrades, enhanced points earning abilities, and 2 p.m. checkout. And so for anyone who travels even a handful of times a year, this is a shortcut to meaningful perks that you'd normally have to earn the hard way. And then there's all the Amex extras. So as a card member, you get access to front of the line presale tickets, reserved seating at concerts and theater shows, and exclusive Amex experiences. In my view, these additional perks aren't the main reason they get the card, but they are some of the nice lifestyle benefits that quietly add value throughout the year. And so when you put all this stuff together, the Marriott Bonvoy Amex delivers quite a bit more than you're paying for the annual fee. And even if you only use a fraction of these perks, most Canadians are still coming out ahead. But with that said, the Marriott Bonvoy Amex isn't a card for everyone, because if you rarely stay at hotels, or you just rather earn more flexible points like Aeroplan or membership rewards points, then this card won't be the best fit. The rewards are tied to Marriott, and so if you don't stay in their family of hotels, then the value just isn't there for you. But if you do stay at Marriott properties even once or twice a year, then the math works in your favor. The free night certificate alone will cover the annual fee, and in most cases, it's going to be worth 2 or 3 times more. And so that's why, in my view, this card is best suited for people who want to stretch their travel budget with hotel nights, families who take 1 or 2 vacations a year, or business travelers who already lean towards staying at Marriott properties. But let's be clear. The Marriott Bonvoy American Express card doesn't offer the flashiest headline bonus. Instead, it's about reliability, a low annual fee, a free hotel night every year, and elite nights that keep stacking you toward better status. Those are the kind of perks that quietly pay for themselves trip after trip. So even if you only use this card once or twice a year, it makes sure that those moments stretch further than they would have otherwise. And if you want to see how the card fits into a larger strategy, don't stop here. Watch this video next to learn how to layer multiple cards together and make those cards work way harder for you starting right now.